Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today's video I'll be showing you when to change your motorcycle chain. So this is the chain. After so much of maintenance also it becomes like this. I know how it feels. So when to change the chain is you will get to know when you will adjust your chain, and when it has reached till the maximum adjustment from here and your mechanic says it cannot be adjusted further, so just take anything, preferably a metal one or metal screwdriver. I don't have any one currently, so I'm taking a very small stick. So after the chain has reached its max adjustment, just check. So see, this much of play is there, this much of slack is there, so it is not recommended. The slack or the play, it will be written here, the drive change, you can see the free play should be 30 mm, and this is more than 30 mm. If you see, this is almost touching, it has no limit, it is very loose, so it's definitely time to change the chain. And from here, this is the first place, and second place, check from here. If there is a play, see that gap is coming, I'm not able to lift it. See this much, that gap should not come here also, this lifting should not be there, whatever is there, no. See that gap, you can see, yeah, see that gap clearly. See, that gap should not be there after max adjustment of the chain. So it's high time to change the chain for me, and I'll see which one to go, this the normal one or the brass one. I'll just take a consultation from the that mechanic, and I'll change the chain further. So thanks for staying till here. Thank you.